pupunta? Hi, Lalan! Lalan! Hi! Busy? Rylan! Ayun na, ang Lulu. Favorite ni ate, puntahan. Ah! Hi! Rylan! 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 Uy!
Sino may mga hair mo?
Halika na. Let's go to Lulu. Why?
Lapit daw.
Lapit.
Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Nadapa ka?
Opo, dapat na. Dapat yung ice cream ko.
Uy, natumba yung ice cream mo. Asan na? Napunta saan?
Sa
Sa may
kanal.
floor? Huwag ka na may up. Bye tayo bago. I will...
Hey! Let's vlog. What happened to you earlier?
Ay, tumba yung ice cream ko.
Natumba yung... At natapa ka, tapos nalaglag yung...
Ice cream ko.
Are you sad?
Yeah.
Masakit?
Yeah.
Anong gagawin natin?
My ice cream fell down.
Oh, that's sad. How about Lalan? Is he sad? Ah. Why are you sad?
Because my ice cream fell down.
Oh, that's sad. Lalan! Ate naman yun.
What are you eating? What are you eating?
I'm eating rice.
Huh?
Rice?
Rice.
Rice.
Rice. Okay.
Ah.
Will you say hi to your viewers?
Huh?
Say hi to your vlog.
Hi.
Welcome to...
My vlog.
And we are eating at... We are eating at... Where? Hardee's.
Hardee's.
Okay. And what's this?
What's this? Rice? What's
Rice?
this?
Sa shadow.
What's on your head? Look at your hair.
Ay, galit na, galit na, galit na. Ali! Wala.
Careful, may cars dyan. Show it to mami.
Show mo sa ano dito.
Ayun o, ayun o. Doon sa tabi ni mami. Doon makita ni mami.
Look at your shadow! Uy, dito ka, dito ka.
Sino mo? Sabi ka kay mami.
Look at your shadow. Ah! Pati Tommy.